What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, Trendline Forex here. What we do on Fridays is we go through the crypto instruments, or mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to have a look at Bitcoin specifically today because whatever happens here is probably going to happen across other crypto instruments. Okay, now what we've had recently was important news by Fed, obviously interest rates just the other day, and so I'm expecting to see what's going to happen next year, and that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to share with you what are the levels to watch out for and basically what I want to see from price in order to enter a trade here. Alright, so this is the 4-hour time frame, and what we've seen is that the market has been trading sideways, and in fact it has been trading sideways for much longer, because this is the daily time frame and you can see, this type of price action. Alright, so obviously we've got some potential zones where we do expect for price to reverse, and price is currently trading in one of these zones, right? And not only that, but we've got a narrower zone now, right now, which is based on the news candle from yesterday, from the other day, in fact. The Fed's interest rates. And what I want to see now, first, before I take any decision, is I want to see price breaking out in a certain direction, right? I want to see price trading outside of the news candle, right, which is this zone right here. So obviously if we see a breakout to the downside, that's going to be great, because we're actually going to be expecting for price to come back with a pullback, retest those previous levels right here, and then we're going to be looking to take a sell trade and basically continue in the downtrend. This is the main direction to the downside. Okay, so if we see price breaking below this, then that's what we're going to be looking for, retest and a sell trade. All right, I actually expected to see the breakout happening right after the news, because we've got exactly the same candle on the other major instruments right here, but instead of price trading sideways and trading around the same levels of the news candle, on the other instruments we actually saw a continuation to the downside right away. But as you can see, we did not manage to break below this support right here on Bitcoin, and price is currently trading inside of this area, which is the news candle. So that's why it's very important to not take a trade before you see a breakout, because if we break out to the upside, if we break above this rejection wick right here, then that probably means we're going to see a continuation of the pullback, and then we're going to be looking for a reversal at a later stage. All right, but we need to identify what are the next resistance levels. In case we break above that, then where are we expecting to see price next? So this is the daily time frame. Now this is the zone that we're currently trading into. If we see price breaking above that, considering that the market has already reacted to this zone and it still creates higher highs on the lower time frames, then that probably means we can see a continuation to the upside. So the next levels will be right here. Okay, we've also got this previous high right here, and this is where we're going to be expecting to see the reversal happening. If the market doesn't stop at any of those levels, or it gives us some reaction but then continues to trade to the upside, then we're heading towards this major zone right here, which is around the 28,000, around 28 to around 30k. All right, this is where we're going to be looking for that potential reversal if price doesn't reverse earlier at one of those levels right here. Okay, and so let's say if we see price breaking above this zone where we're currently trading at, then we're going to be expecting a continuation to the upside towards the next one. If we break above that, then we're expecting a continuation to the upside towards the next resistance level. Okay, and if that happens, then if you don't mind trading pullbacks or against the main trend, you can be taking long trades right here. And as soon as you see that the market is actually reversing, we're then going to be looking to take a sell trade in the direction of the trend. So as you can see, there's two main scenarios here. We're either going to break below this zone and continue lower right away, which is this scenario, or if we break above the candle right here, the news candle, which can be seen better on the hourly chart, then that probably means we're heading towards some higher levels, right? And again, we're talking about 22,800, we're talking about 24,500, and eventually 28k as well. But that's very important, and it all starts with this move on the hourly chart, whether we're going to break above or below the news candle. And you've also got to be very careful for fake outs, because we can see price breaking above the wick right here, and then the very next candle taking price back into this area, and that could happen down here as well in the opposite direction. All right, so we've got NFP today, very important news, and that most likely means we're going to see some big moves across the market, especially across the majors, but that also means news that has heavy impact on price of US dollar related pairs. Those news will affect price here on the crypto instruments most of the time as well. Okay, now as soon as we break below this support right here, we're looking at the next levels. Obviously we've got support down here, we've also got another support down here, we've got a support at 1813, and once this move begins to the downside, we're actually going to be looking for a breakout below 1813. Right, remember we've got some levels below current price levels. We're talking about 16,000, we're talking about 12k as well. All right, so pretty sure the downtrend will continue. We've just got to make sure that we don't take sell trades while price is in a pullback. So right now, this is what we see, a continuation of the pullback, and we want to see when the market is going to break below some significant support, and that's when we're going to be looking to take a sell trade. So hopefully that helps. Make sure to leave a comment below this video. Don't forget that you can actually win a free access to our premium channel, and that's where we talk about each and every pair on my watch list. I'm giving you key levels on each pair, and I'm telling you what setups I'm looking for to potentially trade for the day ahead, so you can definitely take advantage of that information and make some profit for yourself. The premium channel helps a lot of people to make consistent profits, so if you want to get involved, make sure to drop a comment below this video and every other video as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and one of you guys is going to win a free access. If you don't want to wait for that, then just get in touch with us and we'll add you to the channel right away. All right, make sure to check out the links in the description below this video, and if you want to reach out, then there's going to be some contact info as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be patient, wait for the news to pass, and only then look for potential entries. Okay, when it comes to Bitcoin, we definitely want to see a breakout in either direction before we take a trade, and don't forget that we've also got plenty of opportunities across the major pairs here as well. So have a look, and if you find a decent setup, take the trade. Don't worry about it. Use proper risk management, and in the long term you're going to be all right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.